back to another episode of Running the Flats. I'm Rob Forte. We're gonna have a good one today. Riding out to go camping. We've got the boat loaded down. We've got Jackson on his boat. A lot of gear, cots, chairs, tents, feed bags, food. We'll see you when we get out there a little bit further. Alright guys, we're at the part of the canal where we go a little bit faster out of the manatee zone. We're in the 10,000 Islands. It's a low outgoing tide. We're about to pick up the speed and go a little bit faster out to the islands. Hold on. Alright, well we're out here in the islands along the Gulf. Our first choice beach was taken, which is alright. Busy weekend. Our plan B, still another part of Whitehorse. Hopefully a good breeze, no bugs. We're gonna pull right up onto the sand. Finn's excited. Home sweet home for the night. There he goes.
What do we have here?
Got some pulled pork we made last night. Was on the smoker all night just for right now for lunch and dinner. Got camp set up. Everyone took a bite. It's gonna be pretty good.
It's so good.
If you want to see cooking videos like this,
Let us know.
I'll show you how to do it. All right, we're on our piece of Whitehorse. We've got camp set up. Just ate some lunch. Hanging out. Give you a tour of the camp. Got our fire pit, little firewall, grill, some chairs in the shade. Got some tents facing the wind that can always be adjusted. Haley wants me to show you the tent. She's got it set up all nice and cozy. Got some cots in there. Looks pretty good. Trying to find some bait to get shark fishing. Beautiful out here. And LaCroix called me over. Said she found something over here. Pretty cool find. Show them what you found.
I found a pink feather.
Pink feather. Either from a spoonbill or maybe even a flamingo. There it is.
That's so pretty. Wow.
Pretty good find. There's LaCroix and Finn after he just ate a ladyfish I just caught.
I think it's still over there.
Still over here. I'll show you.
Haley, you see Finn?
First piece of shark bait. We're gonna try to catch some sharks tonight, so first step is catching some bait. Jackson's throwing the spoon, I'm throwing the jig. Show you what else we get. Finn just woke up from a nap.
Uh-huh. Look at his face.
Bald eagle flying overhead.
That's good luck.
We see him out here a lot. Blessing the camp. Bringing us the good luck. Jackson just got back to camp.
Loaded up.
Loaded up with bait. We got bait all night.
Gonna catch some big ones.
Ladyfish.
Might get one more round in.
Finn wants one.
You want one?
Look, Jackson.
Think it's about time we put some bait out.
Jackson, look.
So we got a ladyfish that we just caught as bait right here. We're gonna cut them up. Pull them out for shark. Got a big circle hook, a little piece of wire. And we're just gonna run the hook from the bottom jaw out the roof of his head.
Here all night.
Tighten up the drag. We're gonna send it out. Tide's coming in, going that way. There we go, we're fishing. So loosen up the drag so there's not a lot of tension, and that's the sound we're waiting to hear. We'll be back. Jackson got hit first. Yep. Yep. He's there. Fish on. I already reeled my ladyfish in. Got one hit.
No, he's swimming towards me.
Swimming at us. Probably gonna see him pretty soon here. He's pretty close.
Oh, yeah.
Big stingray. It's a southern ray, pretty sure.
I don't know what we should do with them. You tell me.
Sun setting, getting a little bit later. Got them hanging out over there in their chairs, got the torch going. Jackson getting more bait. You guys saw that stingray that Jackson got on his shark rod. I've added a jack to my ladyfish as well. We'll see if that attracts something. And just waiting on the bite. We have one more special guest showing up. GoPro going up. Drone going up, I mean. Get Bill, that's Bill out there. There's the drone. Everyone wondering what a DJI drone smart controller looks like. There it is.
Crystal clear.
All right, little update. Just had some hot dogs on the fire. Sun has obviously set. We are waiting to get a hook in the shark. Jackson's on. We don't know what it is yet. Love that noise. All right, fast forward. This thing's getting a little bit closer. We see him, we got eyes on him. First shark of the night, little lemon shark. There he is. All right, here we go. Gonna get the hook out, circle hook right in the corner of the mouth where it should be. There it is, got our hook back.
Quick and easy. Get her back in the water.
There he goes. Sweet.
Good job.
Rob's got one on. Don't know what it is yet. Just hooked into it about 2 minutes ago.
I didn't feel Jackson's, but I think it's gonna be bigger.
Any guesses with your professional experience?
I think big lemon. Yeah, maybe a big lemon. That's what I'm gonna say. Big head shakes. When you see the rod, that.
That's what we're looking for.
Just shaking its head down there. I think I hear a Mercury 2-stroke coming around the corner. Some people don't like catching sharks.
We do.
Some do. It's fun to do every now and then. He's coming.
Another one.
All right, got another lemon shark. Jackson's doing the honors, taking the hook out. Or maybe I will. That circle hook did its job right in the corner of the mouth.
I think I bent the hook.
Oh yeah, that hook is bent. There it is, hook is out.
Thank you, girly.
We're gonna take a couple pictures, get her back in the water quick. I got it on film.
Do not post that one.
Yeah, I'm definitely going. I got it on film.
Do not post that one.
Yeah, I'm definitely going. Jackson with the release, here we go. Back him out. This one was a feisty one. A lot more energy than the other one. And there are so many of these in the shallow water. We can catch them all night long.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Shot.
Wow.
That was awesome, dude. I want to know if
Cat
anybody
Bobby for it.
participated.
Run for it. Let's go.
You guys remember that bait from earlier? All that ladyfish and Jack that Jackson caught. Can't leave it unattended. There's a little blue crab there. Everyone eats.
I'm gonna go talk that boat in.
It's getting late. The bite slowed down. Got the 2 lemon sharks. Haven't had much lately. Sitting around the fire. They're dropping like flies. If you ain't eating s'mores for breakfast, you ain't doing it right. I'm gonna show you guys a little trick. Come down here. You got a lot faster. Shout out your channel.
Guys, make sure you follow Lax's Legit Food Reviews
And Sunsets with Lax.
and Sunsets with Lax
On Instagram.
On Instagram.
Crispy.
God damn, Corey, you late. Yeah, they gotta put a hole in the air mattress. Just made some bacon on the fire after our s'mores. All right, been a couple hours since we checked in. Still making s'mores.
Woke up making s'mores.
Woke up making s'mores, and we have a beautiful, perfectly toasted all the way around. It's hot out. Melted Hershey bar drizzle. Little sand on it, little dirty fingernail. That's all part of it.
That's camping for you.
And it's going to be a new tradition when we camp. Marshmallow toasting competition. Try it.
That's pretty good. Hey?
You brushed your teeth this morning, right? Thoughts?
That was really good.
Thoughts, Captain?
Probably the best
Great.
one yet.
Great. You want to try, Finn?
No.
Just kidding.
Just kidding.
We out.
That was good.
Oh, shit. He's a biggin.
There you go. Good job, man.
Just stopping him
There he goes.
and working him.
You did the hard part.
Yeah, yeah.
Wearing them out.
It's like I can't even feel
Yeah, that first run.
Yeah, the run. That's the hardest part.
Here, let me bring him in.
You want him?
Yeah.
Oh god.
He's coming now.
Alright,
Oh, he's tired now.
I'm just nervous about him going around that corner.
I know, that's why I was worried. I was about ripping out a ramp.
It's shallow though. I guess we.
Good job, dude.
Here, you want it?
Yeah.
You see how I'm
Finish her
pumping
off.
him?
Alright, I
Yeah.
love you.
But he wants to go. Let him go.
Yeah.
So we got a shark on, probably another lemon here.
We got him now, 'cause now he's right out.
Oh, yeah.
Away from those branches, away from those branches.
Looking for a fin.
He's over under the table.
He's coming
Another
easy
fin.
now.
He's right here.
He's starting to get pissed.
Yeah, 'cause it's getting shallow.
You ain't liking it?
Can't believe you can't see him.
I know. Well, and there's a bunch of mono leader. We'll see that little knot.
Right.
There's that knot.
Like clockwork. Throw
Yeah.
it out.
There he is.
Lemon shark?
Man. Oh my
Biggest one so
gosh.
far. I'm gonna go for you.
Yeah, let him get tired.
Yeah, he wasn't tired.
Yeah, he's still got energy in him.
Grab his tail, Lex.
Oh, look at that big
Pull,
Remora.
pull, 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 pull.
Pull him.
Pull.
There you go. Pull him a little more.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, pull.
Slippery. Good job, guys. One more. He's alright.
Another lemon shark.
Look at
Biggest
the
one
remora.
so far.
Just go
It's
right
all
on
nose. It's
right
all
under
nose.
his
Right.
nose.
Go
Go like this.
No, come
No, you gotta hold
right
him
under his
out.
nose.
Are you serious right now?
And then just pull up.
Pull it up.
Oh my
Hey, Mac.
god.
Pull it up.
Oh my god, you
All right.
guys.
Underhand.
Alright, I'm pulling it up.
Get the picture, Mac. Nice.
Wow. That's awesome,
All
you
right.
guys.
I come back.
Oh my!
Boys.
Wow.
Good job.
That was awesome.
Dude.
That's sick.
Wow, yeah.
Look how sick that is.
Fuck yeah.
Good job, brother.
Good job.
That was
You guys set the
awesome.
hook. No one released.
That was perfect time.
Boat's loaded up. Got Haley, all the gear. Bill's about done. Beach is empty. Leave it how you found it. Got Finn and Lex.
The jellyfish.
Jellyfish. See you on the water. Leaving White Horse. All packed up. Beach is cleaned up. All our trash. Very important. Lots of raccoons, birds. We're gonna lead Bill back to the marina. Heading back to Port of the Islands. Here we go. Alright guys, our trip is coming to an end. Heading up the canal. at Boydie Islands. We've got Bill and the others behind us. There's the front view. The sky's a lot clearer up here, and if you look back behind us, that's back towards the Gulf. Don't know if you can see that on the camera, but you can see all that fog and it looks like clouds out there all along the coast. Real foggy this morning, a little chilly on the way back, and then you get back in here and it's hot and back to normal. Well, we'll see you on the next one. Let us know what you want to see. Comment below, subscribe.